3 Facebook audiences that I will try for every single e-commerce Facebook ad client account that I manage. Hi, I'm Jenny of Ads Uncorked. I earned my clients over $6 million with Facebook and Instagram ads last year, and I'm here to show you how you can do the same for your business. First, when thinking about cold traffic sending brand new eyes to the website, we need to make sure that we are getting new people who are interested in the brand, obviously. The first one that I'm going to try for my clients is a lookalike audience. Now, lookalike audiences, fancy way of saying give Facebook a seed audience of valuable email addresses, and they will create an audience that will perform similarly. So if you have an email list of purchasers, give that to Facebook and create a lookalike audience. If you have an email list of people who have opted in for free content, give that to Facebook. They'll create an audience that's likely to perform similarly. You could also tell Facebook who has been to your website through the pixel. And again, they will grab the information from those people and create an audience that's likely to perform similarly. This works extremely well. Those are lookalike audiences. Completely separate from lookalike audiences, I actually am really enjoying going with a broad audience for my clients these days. Now, this isn't a strategy I would have tried 5 years ago, 4 years ago, but it's something I'm seeing working extremely well these days as the algorithm gets smarter, as our pixel gets smarter, and Facebook knows more and more about what users are and are not doing online. Going broad with our audience targeting seems to work really well. So that's literally casting a net across the entire United States, or if you're in Australia, other countries, going broad across the country and potentially just setting a gender and an age. This seems to work really, really well for our clients these days. At the very least is one that you should give a try. The third audience that every single e-commerce account that I manage is running an ad to is retargeting audience to people who have been to the website, added to cart, maybe people who have initiated checkout but have abandoned. Essentially, we need to reach people who have expressed interest in our brand and make sure that they're seeing our ads again in case they were on the fence about making their purchase. If you enjoyed this free content, make sure to check out my video tutorial on how to understand your return on your Facebook ads. I show you step-by-step exactly the metrics I shoot for my clients, and I show you how to set up your own reporting column so that you can understand exactly what your return is and whether or not you are hitting the mark. I'm going to post that link down below for you.